Hello everyone, today I will show you how to get multi-snap option back on Snapchat. And here's how it is done. Normally, users can access multi-snap option by tapping on the arrow down icon on the right side of the camera screen. When the menu with various options appears, you should see the multi-snap feature. Selecting it allows you to take multiple snaps in one go and send them to your friends. However, if you're unable to find it, there might be a minor issue with your app settings. Here's how to resolve it. Open the Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the settings icon or gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to the privacy controls section and select clear cache. Tap confirm to clear the cache data. Clearing your cache will remove any unnecessary files that might be causing issues and can potentially restore the multi-snap feature. After clearing the cache, log out of your Snapchat account. Close the app completely, then restart it. Log back in and check the multi-snap option is available. Another reason you may be missing the multi-snap feature is if your app is not updated. Make sure you have the latest version of Snapchat to access all the newest features. Go to the App Store for iPhone users or the Google Play Store for Android users. Search for Snapchat and tap Update if an update is available. And that is everything you need to know about how to get multi-snap option back on Snapchat. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.